Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So let's take a look at this one. There is an inner dress, undergarment, inner dress in it. Anyone who knows me knows that I passionately dislike V-neck. So this is a piece of hair tie. I cut it open and it's long enough to make a tie like this. Uh-oh. Give me 1 minute. Okay, anyway, this way you can break up that V shape. And this one, I was thinking there should be a belt. There is no belt, actually. It just made to fit your body. And it's very comfortable. And it's long enough, medium height, so I do not need to wear something under. I mean a long pants under. So it's a relaxed shape. And here is elastic. You can wear as a long sleeve, as a medium sleeve, as a short sleeve. I think it's a quite good design. Completely open up, button. Very comfortable. You can drink a big bowl of soup and then still good. Okay, that's it. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Bye.